Tired of the academic writing grind? Introducing the Academic Content Writing AI Kit, your ultimate tool to master research papers and essays. Academic writing demands precision, extensive research, and clear structuring. It's often the bottleneck for students and researchers alike. Are you constantly struggling with writer's block, complex topics, and looming deadlines? We know the feeling. The endless hours, the sheer complexity of citations, and the stress of trying to synthesize massive amounts of information into a coherent paper. Say goodbye to late nights and frustration. We introduce the revolutionary Academic Content Writing AI Kit, designed to streamline your entire academic process. First up is the core of the kit, a downloadable PDF featuring 100 high-impact AI prompts tailored specifically for academic content creation. This PDF is an arsenal of powerful prompts covering everything from literature reviews to methodology sections. Simply plug them into your favorite AI tool. Watch as messy ideas are instantly transformed into structured outlines or detailed drafts, accelerating your writing workflow dramatically. Next, the kit includes 2 essential guides, a comprehensive how-to-use manual and a guide to the 5 best AI tools for academic writers. The how-to manual provides step-by-step guidance on prompt engineering, ensuring you use the AI effectively, ethically, and achieve the highest quality output. We've analyzed the market to bring you the 5 best AI tools specifically suited for academic tasks, saving you countless hours of trial and error. Finally, the kit includes detailed use cases and examples to show you exactly how to apply the prompts to real-world academic challenges. See successful examples ranging from crafting compelling research questions to generating precise literature review summaries. This kit is the bridge between a vague idea and a structured, polished academic paper that meets the highest standards. Are you ready to transform your academic writing experience? Let's look at the key benefits this kit delivers. With the AI kit, you save significant time, drastically reduce writing stress, and ultimately improve your academic performance and grades. Stop struggling and start writing smarter today. Download the Academic Content Writing AI Kit now via the link in the description and unlock your full academic potential.